Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And this weekend we are at Maumee Bay State Park in Oregon, Ohio.
Up towards Toledo, right on, we're pretty close to Lake Erie, I believe,
Yeah.
Actually, yes, we have to head over to the beach. You'll see some pictures in here. We are here for Christmas camp out with a whole bunch of friends. Oh, it's a little windy and a little chilly. I think it's about 30 right now, but it was 20 before, I think, when I got up I looked. Yeah. No snow though on the ground, so hopefully we'll get a light dusting just to make it pretty. But we're all decorated, we're ready for Christmas, and looking forward to a great weekend with a lot of friends.
Yeah. So we're gonna go explore the area and see what kind of trouble we get into. Get on Santa's naughty list.
We got the Grinch back there, he's watching us. All right. Anything else?
Nope. I'm good.
We'll catch up with you at the end. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Your love is a flood and I swim deep when the tide is up. Oh, would you flood me too? So water in my blood has made me taste sweet to the world. Oh, and you taste sweet too. This is my deliverance, hands held high as you deliver it. Oh, you have made me a child of God, my feet on the ground, my heart in heaven. I am bread made without the living. Oh, you have made me a child of God. Well, I lay in the sand with sweet forgiveness in my hand. Oh, as a gift from you. Your water floods my brain, this gray cranium won't be the same. Oh, where I've been won't do. This is my deliverance, hands held high as you deliver it. Oh, you have made me a child of God, my feet on the ground, my heart in heaven. I am bread made without the living. Oh, you have made me a child of God. Whoa, you have made me a child of God. Whoa, you have made me a child of God. I won't go till I know you have sold all you have in me. This is my deliverance, hands held high as you deliver it. Oh, you have made me a child of God, my feet on the ground, my heart in heaven. I am bread made without the living. Oh, you have made me a child of God. You have made me a child of God. You have made me a child of God. tumbling, fight the spin. And if you don't, you're falling on your face again. You tumble down, roll around, and you know that everything is moving now. So lately I can decide on the high, oh, and when I do, I'm sure I'll end up moving to a suit and tie, celebrate, laugh or cry. What's I gotta do when nothing's standing still for you? So many angles, so many lights, so many ways to see the sunrise. 'Cause everything moves, everything pulses, everything lies in the eyes of you. Everything moves, everything pulses, everything lies in the eyes of you. Everything lies in the eyes of you, eyes of you, in the eyes of you. But ramble on, chug along, and if the beat stops stomping, then something's wrong. Ignore it's on, it's just a song, but I can see your white-knuckled hand from holding on. So lately I wonder why we rely on the sure thing. It's too damn comforting. Stay alive, overdrive till we find something new to keep the pulse alive in you. So many angles, so many lights, so many ways to see the sunrise. 'Cause everything moves, everything pulses, everything lies in the eyes of you. Everything moves, everything pulses, everything lies in the eyes of you. Everything lies in the eyes of you, eyes of you, in the eyes of you. Even though I don't know quite what to do, time will show what we know is hardly ever true. I'd rather have than never have the spinning wrong, the feeling that I move. No more standing still at your will, but you can try until you see the motions moving you. 'Cause everything moves, everything pulses, everything lies in the eyes of you. Everything moves, everything pulses, everything lies in the eyes of you. 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 Eyes of you, in the eyes of you, in the eyes of you, in the eyes of you. Won't you come with me? We'll go ride the breeze, singing "C'est la vie." It feels just right. It's a brand new day. I can hardly wait. So for goodness sake, I think it's time. Yeah. Let's tell the world about it. Help spread a little light. It all comes back around. It feels so good to be alive. Up hills and over mountains, they'll know it far and wide. It all comes back around. It feels so good to be alive.
have the nicest weather the day we're leaving.
Yep. Yeah, what is it? Supposed to be 50
Almost 50 degrees today.
It's a little windy, but less windy. It was cold weekend, but we had so much fun. We had I don't even know how many people. It had to be close to 40 people for the Christmas camp out.
Yeah.
Good time. We bummed around Toledo. We went to a bunch of different breweries. I don't know.
Yeah.
I feel it's been a long weekend.
Yeah, we met a lot lot of great people.
We did. We did.
Saw a lot of friends we already knew. And
yeah, and some new people. We hit up 4 breweries.
Which day?
Spirits, Toledo Spirits.
Yeah, but we also checked out the park. Great park.
Yeah, this is a really nice area.
Yeah.
The beach is a huge lodge over there. The beach is beautiful, right on Lake Erie. There's a lot of little ponds too throughout the park, which is nice.
Yeah.
Walking trails. We went over to the nature center. They have a really nice nature center. Boardwalk trail, which most of it's open. There's still a small section. I know they've been replacing stuff. Still a small section that's closed, but most of it's open.
They had the lodge all decorated for Christmas.
It's pretty.
Definitely a nice place.
Yeah.
Definitely want to come back here in the summer.
Yeah. Shower houses are nice. Just individual rooms. So that's good.
Yeah. Big sites. You got a lot of privacy in between them.
Yeah. We had a lot of fun this weekend.
Yeah, it's a good time. Good time, great people.
Yeah. I guess that's about it.
Yeah.
So, Merry Christmas, y'all. We had such a good time with Christmas Camp Out.
Yeah.
Keep it safe in your travels.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye, guys.
Bye.